Hi! So, pupunta kami ngayon ng lake. Yeah. Our Sunday's ganap. Because tomorrow is back to work. Not me, but my husband. And my husband is over there. Actually, this is the shortcut. Sa shortcut mi nangagi, sa forest mi nangagi, wa mi sa highway. Kaya init kaayo dito, at least diri akay daghag kahoy. So, dili kay mi mainitan. Oh. Yeah. So, ni-stop sa ami diri sa store kay nagpalit og water. Kaya nakalimot kog dala og water. Oh my God. Hold the phone.
Yeah, a bit more, drink a bit more.
Yeah. Yeah. We're at the lake now.
How's your legs tired? We still have one way back home.
Putting kiwi is not good.
Yeah. Did you make the post
What post?
about that woman? Who told your mother? I was 50 years ago with Chris and Vilma.
A small picnic for us. Tapos na kaming mag-picnic dito. So, magkakayak na kami. Medyo madami din tao dito ay. Nagsisidating na sila. Charot. So we're gonna use mine. Should I choose this one?
It's smaller. That?
That's it. Tapos may toilet din dito. Oh lala, hi! Papunta kami sa isa kayak for rent. But before that, uuwi muna kami sa bahay. Kasi maglalakad na lang kami papunta doon.
Żona zbiera lawendę.
Joanna's gonna get mad at me if I was gonna pick some lavenders here.
Nie,
Nie tak?
nie tak.
Smells bad. Oh. Okay, two is enough. I think. Stop kami dito to pick some lavender flowers. Ah! Sorry everyone, mali pala. Hindi pala yun kayak. Yung ano tawag dyan? Parang magsa-cycling sa sa lake. Puro ako sabi kayak. Tapos hindi naman pala yun kayak. Wala dyan deklaro akong banag yun. So ayun. Akong bana kay nagbiwi pa. Okay, let's go. So again, this is not kayak. Mali pagkasabi ko kanina. I don't know how to call this one. Motorcycle. Water. I mean, water cycling. Wow. Perks of having a farm partner. Every summer, always talaga naga-outdoor activities. Hindi pwedeng nasa loob ng bahay talaga. Grabe. So, laban tayo mga Pinay. Kahit gusto mo magpaputi, kahit gusto ko magpaputi, no chance. No chance talaga. Sobrang init din ng family nila dito. I think it's hotter than Philippines. Say hi.
Hi.
How's your cycling there? You feel good? Yeah, I know. Kapoy po doy, gahak. Kakapoy ba? There is a duck in front of us swimming, having fun. Go faster. No, we're not allowed to touch it. Tingnan niyo yung area na yun. It's so nice. What's that over there, Papi? That one. There.
Das Haus?
Is it house? I can't see.
Das ist Haus. Show the house.
Yeah. Yo. Energetic ka kaya kung kuyog, oh. Right? Happy kayo siya sa iyahang sunbathing. Tapos na kami ano tawag dito? Ano tawag dito again? What do you call this one? Roverek Vodne. Tapos na kaming mag-Roverek Vodne. Okay, grabe na dyan. Super init na. Nakaka-heat stroke yung init. And we are on our way home now. Nakakapagod siya. Grabe. Tapos sobrang init pa. But it's okay. Because nag-enjoy kami. Charot. So, ayun lang. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Say bye.
Bye bye.